Hey there guys, Alex here from SPP, and today I'm going to be walking you through how messaging works on SPP, as well as a couple of tricks that you could benefit from when it comes to messaging. Let's get into it. On SPP, there are two different places where messaging can occur, either on orders or tickets. And here's an example of what order messaging would look like on SPP. Now, when it comes to order messaging, whenever anyone on your team responds to your clients, it's going to show their image as well as their name on the ticket or order directly. To take this one step further, we could create something a little bit cooler by adding custom signatures for every client. If I go into settings from here and then I go to messaging, you'll be able to see that we have a bunch of if statements as the signature to show a custom signature depending on whoever responds. Here you can see that if the sender ID is equal to 1, then it would show test as a signature. Now you can acquire different team members' IDs by navigating into settings and then clicking on any of the team members and looking at their URL. As you can see here, this team member's ID is 1. So if we do an if sender ID equals to 1 and this person responds to any client on a ticket or an order, they're going to have their own custom signature. Another thing that we have on SPP that is extremely beneficial would be metrics. If you go into your dashboard and you click on reports, you're going to find a response time report that you can click on and see how quickly usually your team responds to your clients. A small cool thing about this report is that it only shows the average response time for your business work hours. So time is not going to accumulate on your average response time as long as your team is offline. This is also a perfect segue to take us into setting up your business hours as well as an automated response for whenever you're offline. To do this, you go into settings and then messaging. And from here, you can enable auto reply as well as set up your business hours for whenever your team is going to be online. As you can see, the business hours here are set up Monday to Friday from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. So if anyone messages us outside of these hours, it's going to send this automated response. And of course, keep the ticket open for you to check out whenever you hop online the next day. So this has been a really quick video to walk you through our messaging and a couple of hidden features that you can make benefit of. Hopefully you're able to implement these tricks into your workspace to improve your workflow, and of course you can always reach out if you have any questions to support@spp.co. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day.